Hi, I'm Michelle Paganini, owner of Paganoonoo and upcycle sewing guru. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tie from a t-shirt. Let me show you a way that I use t-shirt ties in upcycling. So when I say t-shirt tie, I mean literally like a string, a piece of a t-shirt that's been cut off that's stretchy that you can use like a stretchy string. How I've used it here is I made a kimono shirt for myself and I wanted a closure that wasn't buttons, that wouldn't look right. I didn't want to sew snaps on. So what I actually did is I made t-shirt tie and I put it on there so I can tie it. And because it's knit, it won't ravel. I'll never have to do anything to it. And I ran a series down the front. So I think it's a really easy way to do a closure. What a t-shirt tie is made of is a strip of the t-shirt. And because it's knit, when you pull it, it curls in on itself. So if you look closely, you can see it's actually two separate pieces that have rolled together. But as long as there's tension on it from pulling, it never comes undone. So basically it makes a cord. So where do you cut on the t-shirt to get this magical curling strip? You cut straight across the bottom or straight across the sleeve. So on this t-shirt, I'm not going to cut all the way up on the design, don't worry. On this t-shirt, I cut the bottom off. So there's a seam on here. Actually, there's a hem on here that will not curl because it's sewn together. So I cut that off, and then I cut strips all the way across, and I pulled them, and I got a cord. So let's go ahead and do that. The width that you want is at least a ½ inch. You can experiment with your knit because every knit's a little bit different. But if you don't have at least ½ inch, it tends to break when you pull on it, and you really don't want that. So what I'm going to do is one that's about a ½ inch, and you can rough cut it because it's going to curl up, so it doesn't matter if it's not exactly perfect. You could rule it out if you want, but I tend to just rough cut them. Alright, so I have cut off a section of the bottom. Let's do that magical curling. You can see I put quite a bit of tension on it to get that. And I have cord, and rather pretty cord. Now the ends tend not to curl, so what I do is actually cut them off where it is curling and discard the ends. I now have a piece that I can use. That's how easy it is to make a t-shirt tie.